AccuQuilt has added a very special new delivery to the Go Die family. Meet the Go Baby Zoo animals. These darlings are ready to add a touch of fun and whimsy to projects galore. The 11 shapes are on a 6x12 die board will combine to create a lion, a monkey, and a giraffe, including everything from those precious little noses to a fun mane and spectacular spots. All of these shapes would be tedious and time-consuming to cut by hand, but the die makes it a snap. Start by applying fusible to the wrong side of fabrics that you're using. Then lay the fabric over the shapes you want to cut. Now put the die through any Go cutter and you're almost done. And just like that, you have a zoo full of precious baby zoo animals. These babies will be the perfect addition to all kinds of projects, like quilts, growth charts, and so much more. For added value, download the free embroidery for these little cuties from AccuQuilt.com in your choice of 3 stitches: blanket, satin, and motif. Use these shapes to embellish sweet treats for babies using dies like the Go Burp Cloth or Quilt As You Go project like bags. Go dies cut more than just quilting fabric too. Gather up little ones and watch the fun they have creating no-sew projects with materials like sticky back craft foam and felt. Are you feeling crafty? Try cutting vinyl or even leather. You're only limited by your imagination with the Go Baby Zoo animals because AccuQuilt is standing by to help you cut time so you can quilt and craft more.